Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to cover up thinning. This is a new method that I stumbled across and decided to show you guys. This is my first time doing this. The hair that I'll be using is a deep twist by Motown tress in the color 2, and it is 14 inches. I brought about 2 packs. Each packs have about 3 bundles. I will also be using this 5-piece hair weaving cap that I'll use to crochet the hair on. To help stimulate growth, I'll be using this Miracle Grow oil. My client has a little bit of thinning at her hairline as well as on the crown. So when I'm working with those areas, I'm going to make sure that I'm not putting too much strain on those areas. So when it comes to braiding, I'm going to make sure I'm not braiding tight. I'm going to leave just enough space to where I'm not straining when I use the crochet needle. I'm going to braid as if I would a regular cornrow, but the twist to this is I'm going to add the crochet hair as well as the braiding hair to my cornrow, so that every time that I feed in the crochet hair, the ends will be left out. This process helps me a lot, so that way her edges are covered and I don't have to worry about covering them while I'm crocheting. I'm gonna have to apologize in advance. I had no idea that I was in the way while I was braiding, so you guys can't really get a clear picture of what I'm doing. But I am literally just feeding in the curly crochet hair and pulling it to the side instead of adding it to the cornrow. If you guys search up on YouTube, there's multiple videos out there. This method is called tree braiding. I haven't came across a video yet where they use it for crochets. Normally the videos that's on YouTube are on cornrows only. So I tried to improvise and this is what I got. She did allow me to experiment on her head, so I'm guessing she trusted that this would come out good. I only did the tree braids on this section of the hair. On the other side, I applied a net. I'll fast forward until I get to that part.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
This is the braid pattern that I came up with. I have never used this braiding pattern before, but there's a first for everything. Since her crown area is the problem area, I'll be applying a net to the top of her hair. As I mentioned before, I have a 5-piece net kit. If you guys take a look at the top, I'll be using number 5. Each nets have different shapes and they're all used for different things. This is the net that I'll be using for the top of her hair. I'm going to attach it to her hair by sewing it, and I'm not the best at sewing, so it's going to lay down one way or the other. I almost forgot to apply the hair growth oil. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to her scalp and spread it with my fingers. This is what everything looks like now that I'm done sewing it down. I did manage to get everything sewed down. There is a few loose pieces, but that's perfectly fine. I'm going to use the crochet here to cover up that area. Y'all, this net is definitely a game changer when it comes to crochets and thinning hair. This is not a tutorial, so for all of you visual learners, I hope you learned something by watching me crochet. If you guys would like to learn how to crochet, I do have a detailed video that I'll leave in my description box. I'm gonna go ahead and play this video and I'll see you guys at the end.
What do you find on your plate after you cooked a goddamn good meal? A goddamn good meal. Move it all out my way. Take everything that you know that's getting in my way. I'll tell you everything. It's just what I need. Because I love my life, I'm so happy. I'll just keep on doing my own thing and hoping you'll just catch on. Cause I'm creating my own lane of devices and chemical gases and warfare that will demolish all the hatred in this world. Does that even make sense? The government is trying to take over the world, still trying to understand what is a democracy, because we're just faking in this world. Flowers keep on blooming, tell me what you want. Can't you see I'm moving? Don't you know it's true? Can't you see I'm blooming? Flowers keep on growing, people keep on trying me, but nothing seems to feel. Nothing seems to feel real. I just feel myself getting closer to where we are. Don't you see? Don't you see? It ain't quite what it means, please, I just move out my way to ensure that I'm happy. But you know what I need. 1, 2, 3. Please, please. I'm a flower, give me room to breathe. This oxygen is patent for me. Don't take up all the room. Don't take away the things that I gave to you. Don't take away the pain, the gain, the strain, the things that I've been proven to do. I'm baking until I let my heart groove. The flowers keep on blooming, bullets keep on flying, but I'll keep on striving until there ain't nothing left to prove. Cause I continue to eat good. My plate will stay full until I allow you to take all that I've been working towards.
I am done and this is the final look. She looks amazing and she loves her hair. Her edges are completely covered and you guys can't tell that she has a net on. If you guys love this video just as much as I did, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys in my next video.